Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And guys, it was really hard to figure out what the trade of the day is because really it was a collective. If you don't have this one, it's a scan that I'm sharing, the unusually strong options volume. Every single one of these was excellent, okay? At certain stages. I mean, do they keep running all day long? No. But I guess if I had to pick one, just because it's probably going to be active most of the day, I will pick the WIMI, W-I-M-I. We got the alert right here at 448. It got all the way up to 524. It is pulled back. It may still keep going. It is an earnings play, but I could just cycle through them all. I mean, we had an alert for AEMD at right here. This is the candle at 535. It got all the way up to 6. WKSP 843 right here, 843. It got all the way up to 910. I mean, this is just a collective trade of the week or trade of the day. ONTX, we had an alert at 624. It got up to 6. I mean, these are just tremendous percentage moves. And then the last one that just showed up, DVAX 1849. And it looks like it's trying to get through 19. So I think, I cannot just pick one. So you can come into the room. I am sharing this scan. Come into the room and you can have this. This is my favorite scan, quite frankly, of all time. Now, does every single day give us, tremendous runs like each one of them? Of course not. But over the course of time, I've been using this for about 4 or 5 months now, and it has just been a superlative or a super scan. So with that, I want to shut down. I want to get back into the room to see if I get any more from that scan. So you can send any questions you have for me to info@trade-ideas.com. This is a link to the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.